met the beautiful superstar and mom Juhi Chawla, who has some pretty strong views on technology and kids and feels strongly about anti-radiation. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you, Tara, for inviting me.
So, being a mummy show, we get straight to the mummy stuff. What does motherhood mean to you?
A life changer for the better. Sleepless nights that last a long time, not just the first 2 months of the baby stage. And becoming a nicer person.
Yeah.
Before I had my own kids, actually I was not a kiddie-friendly person. In spite of, the Hamera Hi Pyar Ke and all that.
Yeah, I was going to say, because you always, honestly, for me, you're just like, you signify love.
I could just about tolerate kids. I was like, yeah, whatever, these little pesky, little small, short somethings around me. But after I had my kids, oh my gosh. One, I became protective, not just to my own children, but to any little child I'd see on the street.
Yeah, yeah.
And so really, I changed so much as a person. I looked at the world with new eyes.
So I think that's really interesting. And when you actually held your little ones for the first time, do you remember like what you felt?
The first time I held my first one, I think I was just baffled.
Yeah.
Because the first time around, you don't even know what hits you. But then after that, I think I was most stressed in my life because I didn't know what to do with that little
thing.
That little thing which came home. Yeah. And it cried. And when it cried, I would shiver and shake because I was so
new to it. Yeah,
new
like
to
any
the whole
new mom.
experience.
Yeah.
The second time around, I found it much more enjoyable, easier.
Yeah.
And I loved the second one, I think, with more abandon than the first time.
Yeah. So, is Jay a hands-on dad? How did he take to it when they first arrived?
I think he was relaxed throughout. And he's the kind of dad who indulges the kids. So
you have to be the strict one.
Yeah, I become the bad cop and he becomes the good cop. And he wins all the brownie points. He takes them to all the things that I don't.
Do they actually listen to you more or do you think they listen to him?
They know when mommy changes, the tone changes and the face, the expression changes that it's danger time, then they're totally...
So please give me some tips on this because I don't think my kids have differentiated between the strict mummy and the not strict mummy.
Each one has their own pace and, just a simple small thing. My son used to suck his thumb when he was little. Now, my daughter never did that. And this one kept doing it till he was about 4 or 5 and I started getting worried and I started putting all kinds of, neem ka pani and all on it so that he sucks it and then he doesn't like it. And one day I think I met Shah Rukh somewhere and he's like, will you just stop it? He's like, have you ever seen a 15-year-old suck his thumb? I'm like, yeah, no. So he said, because they grow out of it. So he will grow out of all this.
That's very true. And it's so good he said that because I find that before you have kids, you have all these like thoughts that you're going to do this or be like this or, I'm never going to let them sleep in my room because somebody said don't do it. When they come, like, they slept in our bed, and then you realize they're fine. No, at 15, nobody's sleeping in the bed. So, they're going to be fine. So that's another good tip. So about technology. Now, I know you are a big crusader of anti-radiation. I've seen your videos and I think it's superb what you're doing. I have to admit, I'm a worrier. So when I hear things like this, I get really, oh my God, should we like not have any cell phones here? Let's like put everything. How strict are you about that or how strongly do you enforce no Wi-Fi and stuff at home? How do you deal with it?
Okay, one I have to say I'm not anti-technology.
Yeah.
I'm just pro-health.
Yeah.
WHO, that is the World Health Organization, in 2011 did classify radiation from mobile cell phones as possibly carcinogenic. While the debate still continues, is it really harmful? How much time does it take and how much radiation exposure does it take to actually cause harm? I'd just say we'd rather be safe than be sorry.
Yeah.
For a couple of reasons. With your kids, you don't want to take any chances.
Absolutely.
Your phone works in a building because the waves, these radio waves, travel through buildings. They travel. If you sit on your phone also and somebody calls you up, it'll ring. That means these radio waves travel through your body to reach the phone.
Yeah.
As all moms know now, when your baby is small, the skull is thin and soft.
Yeah.
When you hold a phone next to their head, onto their ear, now these waves are traveling through the brain. When you don't know what these waves may do or may not do, I think you'd rather that you don't give cell phones and iPads to little children. And if you do, make sure that they are on airplane mode.
Yeah.
That is when that connection, with the radio waves traveling through to the antennas, that is cut off.
Right.
Also, this technology is very new. It's just been here last 8-10 years.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
we've really seen the boom last 6-7 years.
Yeah. So we don't really know.
We
what
don't
God
know the
forbid it
long
could-
term.
Yeah.
These kids which are growing up today, this is going to keep increasing perhaps.
Yeah.
They have a longer lifetime exposure to this. So you don't want to learn 10-15 years down the line that,
Yeah.
something happened, I wish I'd been more careful.
Yeah.
So I'd
God
say to
forbid.
all
Yeah.
mummies that, don't give your phones to your little children.
Yeah.
And I do this at home. I turn off the Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
When it is required, it's turned on.
So when it comes to social media, it's so
Yeah.
prevalent, and your kids are now older. So are they on social media yet, or do you know?
Much as
do
I
you know? That's the
keep
question.
cautioning them about their cell phones and this, it's only my daughter who's very recently now been chatting with her friends on the phone, and I think she's at that stage of her life where she wants to do all these girly, funny things, take photos of herself and put them on. So long as everything's within a certain limit, I guess you have to.
Yeah.
Again, let go.
But do you think you would being a celebrity, and do you think that there are some rules that are a little different? Would you explain to them that,
I
how
also
much?
have the same concerns as another parent that,
Yeah.
Do they know who they're talking to over there? There's so many nameless, faceless people
Yeah.
who pretend to be somebody else. There are parental controls, and you can control the sites that your kids can open
Get onto.
and the things that they can do. I think all those controls are in place with their gadgets.
Yeah.
So they can't totally wander off the mark. On the other hand, you can't police them 24 hours.
Yeah.
You can't.
You
It's
can't.
not possible. So you just keep giving them the right inputs, and you try and, like I said, the parental controls on those gadgets.
Yeah.
So that's about what you can do.
On that note, it's really been so lovely talking to you. And as a closing, is there anything you'd like to say to other mums out there who are watching and would like to know any tips, any suggestions, anything you'd like to say about motherhood?
When my kids were really little and the days seemed long and it was exhausting, friends said, these days will fly. And now that my kids have grown out of the baby stage, I really feel that the days have flown.
Yeah.
So the time that you have with your kids, and they're small and you can cuddle them and squeeze them around, enjoy every bit of it.
Yeah.
And another thing that I just read, and time and again I have to remind myself, so I'm not perfect in any way.
We're all learning.
We all learn and we all make the same mistakes and then learn again, is just set an example.
Yeah.
So just be a kind of role model, and then the kids will follow. They
Yeah.
will follow. So you don't always have to tell them do it this way or that way.
That's
you
true.
just do it the way you would like it to be.
So really, Juhi, thank you so much. That was
No,
really
that's-
lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.